Okay, I came to this job on this house and they said that there was a horrible smell coming from the fridge. It's got a freezer on it as well. What had happened is they'd put milk in the freezer, it'd split, and then they tried to thaw it out to get it out, and milk had gone down this back gully here. If you see this condensation on the back, that usually travels down this little gully at the back. But obviously it had milk in it, and then that travels down this gully, through a little hole, and then I'll show you where it goes next. So it drips down that back into this little tray here that's above your compressor, and the heat from your compressor evaporates it. But obviously we've got horrible milk in, it's going to go rotten and smell. I mean, it's possible it could clear up over it after a few weeks, but I don't really want to smell like that for a few weeks. Looks like this nut's been rounded off. Screw, sorry. Oh no, it's coming. So that's it. This is tray. I've already cleaned this one out. It's full of horrible. It's got some water in there, look. And it just smells a little bit still, so I'm going to clean it out again. But this was full of sour milk. And it was obviously boiling up off the compressor heat and making a horrible smell. So that's it, just try that.